Well, we in Houston, Texas. You probably don't see no snow or anything on the road or on the driveway, but this is one of those cold mornings in the low 30s that you need an auto start. You know, I got this cold alarm right here. My wife purchased this auto start for me about 3 years ago for Christmas, and it's probably one of the best Christmas gifts I got. But what you want to do, I'm gonna just auto start mine so I can warm the vehicle up and let it defrost or whatever it wants to do. Only thing you have to do is hit your button right here twice, and it'll start up. It'll stay on for 15 minutes, and then it'll go off. And what you can do also, you can program it to start at 6 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, or you can have it to auto start every 4-5 hours. But if you look to the top right or down there on the last 15 minutes of this video, you'll see different links to other videos of this starter on how to program it and everything. And you can purchase this in the description, or you can go on my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. And I got a lot of different things there on my website you can go and look at. Also got CWI exam tests and different things on my website. But if you would like to purchase this auto alarm, just look in my description below. But like I said, I'm gonna let this thing warm up for about 15 minutes. Okay, about 10 minutes passed since my vehicle been auto started. So I'm gonna get in and head to work. Like I said, this probably alarm you wanna get, this auto start. And look in the top right to the left, and you can see different videos that I've done on how to program this thing. You can see I'm getting in. Oh, it feels good. Feels really good. And I had this on high, and I had my warm, I had it on hot. So when I get up in the mornings, you can also, like I said, have it auto program to where it automatically come on at a certain time in the morning. Maybe it'll come on at 5:36. It'll stay on for 15 minutes, then it'll shut off, and you can have it to start every 4 hours. But if you would like to purchase this, just look at my description below, and you can go to my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Make sure you put .net. Thank you, and have a great day.